If your legs feel weaker, your balance isn't what it used to be, or standing up from a chair feels like effort, this video is your wake-up call. After 60, leg strength naturally declines. But here's the truth. You can rebuild it at home with just 3 simple moves. No fancy gym, no equipment, just body weight and smart training. And guess what? These aren't random exercises, they're backed by science, used by physical therapists, and trusted by athletes to restore leg power, balance, and confidence, even in your 60s, 70s, or beyond. So stay with me, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do them, how many sets, when to breathe, and the powerful benefits each one brings. Let's dive in. Bulgarian split squat. This may sound complex, but it's simple and incredibly powerful. According to a 2022 study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, Bulgarian split squats activate more quadriceps and glute fibers than traditional squats, especially improving balance and single leg strength, which are critical after 60 to prevent falls. Bulgarian split squat rebuilds leg and glute strength, enhances balance, boosts mobility, and strengthens knee-stabilizing muscles. Stand in front of a chair or low bench place, 1 foot behind you on the chair. Keep your chest up, core tight, and lower your body slowly until your front thigh is parallel to the ground. Push back up through your front heel. Inhale as you lower down. Exhale as you push up. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg. Second is lunges. Lunges are a functional movement that improves leg strength, balance, and hip flexibility, making daily activities like walking and bending easier. They target the quads, hamstrings, and glutes, while also challenging your coordination and posture. Research shows lunges closely resemble real-life movement patterns, which helps maintain independence and mobility after 60. This move also strengthens both legs equally and helps prevent stiffness and joint weakness. Lunges are especially valuable for preventing trips and improving walking mechanics. How to do it? Stand tall. Take a step forward with 1 foot, lower your back knee toward the ground while keeping your chest upright. Keep your front knee aligned with your toes. Push back up to the starting position and repeat on the other leg. Inhale as you step and lower down. Exhale as you push back up. Do 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Last but not the least is bodyweight squats. Bodyweight squats are the foundation of leg strength and one of the most effective movements for maintaining lower body function after 60. They work the quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves while also improving posture, circulation, and coordination. A recent review confirms they help boost bone density, brain function, and overall mobility. Squats support essential tasks like standing up from a chair, picking things up, and walking with ease. They are simple yet powerful for reversing the effects of age-related muscle loss. How to do it? Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly turned out. Lower your body as if sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up. Keep your knees aligned with your toes. Push through your heels to return to standing. Inhale as you go down. Exhale as you come up. Do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. You don't need hours at the gym, just 3 science-backed moves. Do them 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll feel the difference in just a few weeks. Stronger legs, better balance, and renewed energy in every step. Let's rebuild your legs, restore your confidence, and bring back the power you deserve.